And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you.
Alright, so guys, I don't know how really if you say this. Somebody also say it. I'm coming out the closet.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, me brethren and me sister. Because today we there, tomorrow we gone. Rest in peace, Cocoa T. Great reggae legend passed away yesterday. Zine rock the music world internationally, locally. You see me? I don't know the whole Rocky Point. Where he was born and grew, grieve right and all his fans and kids and loved ones. I get to me as some viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, a lion foot, the man of peace. Yeah, man. So give thanks to life, health, and strength. In this episode, we are pay respect and condolence to Cocoa T, and we also have our next brother. Same come out of the closet. He's confessing and admitting eating the buff. He said he loves it. But we'll leave that for the end of the video. So I say, yeah man, that's forward.
I face a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I man still stand strong.
And I man says, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Yes man, one of Cocoa T's hit songs. I know him, he has many hit songs. See, Cocoa T was born on the 3rd of September 1959. Place of birth, Rocky Point, Jamaica. Cocoa T's songs, Jam made them that way from his 1984 album, Rockin' Dolly, interpolates Human Nature by Michael Jackson and Answer My Question by Dillinger. He initiated the annual New Year's Eve event, Dancehall Jam Jam, in 2003, which ran until 2009. He died on the 11th of March 2025 of a cardiac arrest. So this is a Cocoa T, rest in peace, condolence again to his families, loved ones, fans all over the world, the globe. You know what I mean? Yeah man, Cocoa T, I grew up on his music. Many hit songs, many hit songs. You see me? So, life are the greatest gift, you know, my people. Life are the greatest gift. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. We see where they will lose determine, and that rock me, because I'm determined it kind of close, you know? You see me? Yeah, man. Rest in peace, determined again, you know? But now we lost Cocoa T, Jano Star, of a cardiac arrest. You see, that's why your health is your wealth. Yeah, man. Fitness over sickness, you know? We have to be careful right now because we see from the pandemic forward on, a whole heap of things are going, a whole heap of conspiracy, and a whole heap of sitting, you know? We don't know the food, have to be careful of the food we put it in your body, and you know what I mean? As I said, the older you get, you have to eat wiser and live smarter, you know? And you see me cut down on all the drinking and the smoking, stop the smoking, you see me? Yeah, so just have to see the Cocoa T drop out star, gone, you know, but that's how it go. We all have to go one day, you know, but that's how it go, yeah, man. You see me? We see many rock the dancehall world and the reggae world because a lot of people will see posts Cocoa T on their page, you know what I mean? And you see me? As I say, it's sad, you know? Because when I gathered the news, I said, Jano Star, you see it? I have a song named Life are the Greatest Gift. So I'm going to release it now soon, you see me? Yeah, man, determined me say I'm going to release it. But now Cocoa T, I have to go drop it fast. You see what I say? And put it out there in the universe. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so I'm going to show you some clippings of Cocoa T, some remembrance, you know? Yeah, man, great legend Cocoa T, drop out, gone. Jano Star. You know, I'm the man of peace and I love me, say, you see me, right across the board. You see it? Big up everybody on the platform, remember. Eat right, think right, do the right thing, think before you act. Walk away from trouble if you can. Avoid mix-up and pass and gossips. Negativity, you know? Yeah, man, just try to live your life clean and healthy. Health over wealth. Yeah, so me I say, yeah, man, so watch some local clippings here from Cocoa T.
I face a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I man still stand strong.
Remember when we are youth a squeegee got dancing, them You see, every song pan a rhythm he used to rock the place, he used to play. Them reggae song have to play in a dance hall, in a party them. When I screech you got a dance and Mr. Tires pan the wall time and I follow Lover's Try sound, you see me? But them things on time change.
Giving thanks and praise to the Almighty One, and looking forward to reach Mount Zion.
Yes man, this was one of the monster songs them pan the juggling, you know? Yeah man, rest in peace, Cocotte.
And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you.
Oh, she loves me now.
Of course, all the time.
I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. That you give thanks and present to the Father. A long time, one wants to God. She love me now.
All the time.
Oh, she love me now.
Risky all the time.
I said I tell them already, and I go tell them again. I riff and I go tell them again. Alright, come, mix. Here you bang, be young dang. Here you be do bang dang again. Here you be bang, be dang. Cocotte in a Irie FM, yes, once again. Why? Because me have a many friends and me will treat them well, but never to them my secret tell. Cause when my friends becomes my foe, all over the world my story will go. Sing you one song bang again. Here you be bang be young dang. Here you be bang dang. Why? You be the dung, you bang be dang. A sweet Cocotte in a Irie FM again. Love like I've never loved. Hold me like I've never been before.
Bless.
Yo, the man vocal sweet and strong. Rest in peace, Cocotte.
Alright, so guys, I don't know how really to say this. Somebody also say it. I'm coming out the closet. I'm coming out the closet, guys. I'm a lesbian. I love eat the buff. Not only me love eat the buff, I love eat the buff, you fuck. Every time I see my woman, guys, my tongue gets stiff, guys. Every time I see my woman, guys, I want to eat. Guys, me eat my woman buff until my tongue have abs, guys. Somebody pray for me, guys. You can't stop eating the buff, guys. Me a lesbian, guys.
Yes man, 2025, you know. I don't know, me always I say, teach to their own. You see me I say? I went right if a man want to do the wrong thing, or a woman want to do the wrong thing, I feel them choice. I not bash them or trouble them. You see me? Just want to say me I live my life clean. You see it? Live your life the way you want. Don't let nobody tell you can't. That's right. Do what you like. It's your flipping life. Yes man, so yeah, the man say he can't resist from eating the buff. Every time him see woman, you see me, him mouth just a run lily water, so him lick them just a jump, so. But I tell you, say, yo, the woman them a back him in the comment section. Yeah man, the woman them a back him, man. 1 and 2 man a bone him and a bash him, you know, but the woman them, say them love him, say him lucky, say him woman lucky and all of them things there, you see me? Yeah man, you see, but viewers and subscribers, become yourself, let me know what y'all think. I'm the man of peace, blessed love. Rest in peace, Cocotte. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.